Hi, I'm Raghavvendra, Numerology and Vastu coach. Today we will discuss about numerology of number 7 born people. The people who are born on 7th, 16th, 25th or number 7 born people. They are highly intuitive and wisdom truth seeker. They like truth, wisdom and they are highly intuitive. These number 7 people are ruled by planet Ketu. Naturally, the planet Ketu is said to be have only body with no head. So the intuition come from their gut. They have high intuition powers. The people are born on natural 7. Normally, these people get dreams in their sleeps. The the incidents which are about to happen in the future are about to get dreams in their life. They are highly intuitive. They know something is going to happen. Even while brushing teeth, in the morning, while taking bath, their thinking goes in their mind. They always think deeply. Their mind is restless, I can say. They will not accept the truth unless they do the research. Unless they do proper research and they come to the conclusion, that conclusion will be told by number 7 people. They will not accept the conclusion which is told by other people. They are highly, deeply research oriented. They are philosopher and analyst. They'll become a very good philosopher and analyst. Love solitude, reflection and deep thinking. Mysterious aura. They always think something more before they do any small thing. Even if they do the small things, they think a lot. Even it might be a small thing. They think which is correct and which is wrong. Then they will advise their decision to the others. If number 7 people are born as a father, they will be like a second mother. What I mean to say is, they care more than the existing mother because they love their children a lot. The people, the kids, the children who get 7 as their father are very lucky people. Number 7 people are highly intuitive, introspective and spiritually inclined. These people are excellent at research, analysis and uncovering hidden truths. They do deep research. They uncover the hidden truths of life and the environment and the globe. They are deeply spiritual people and have highly intuitively, rationally and intuitively. They have strong individualism, very strong individualism and not easily influenced by the crowd. Both they are highly intelligent, both rationally and intuitively as well. And they care a family a lot. If someone says something to them, they might ignore. But if someone tell about their mind, your mind is not correct, something, they'll get dead anger. But even then, sometimes they ignore. But if someone come towards their family, if something makes something bad to the family or someone think ill about the family, they cannot tolerate. Their family is their life. They neglect everything. They neglect outside. If someone says, if suppose you're going in the traffic and someone comes near you and driving rashly, sometimes you ignore. You won't tell anything, you just ignore. But if you are going with your family, if someone does anything, you are ruthless. It is like old movies wherein if someone beats you something and something happens, but someone tells something to your family, the hero will become ruthless. He will kill. He will be very ruthless. Such number 7 people are highly ruthless when it comes to the part of their families if family is affected. So these people are highly bonded to their family members. They have strong individualism and are not easily influenced by the crowd or society or any kind of people. They have their own research, they have their own reports. These are the many strengths of number 7 people. And career of number 7 people, I can say one of the best career would be occult sciences like astrology, numerology, vastu, Keri, tarot reading. Most of the 7 born people will be in the occult science field. Can become isolated due to overthinking. They are loners. They like to spend lonely most of the time rather than in the crowd. Struggles with trusting others because of overthinking. They normally don't trust easily. They have very less friends. If at all they have 1 or 2 friends, they will keep them for a lifetime. They will not encourage everyone to be in their circle of friends. They normally don't trust everyone. Always this suspect people because of high thinking and research oriented and highly intuition powers. This video is little bit long because how many things we can say about the number 7. There are so many qualities, good qualities of their individual nature. Not that all numbers, even every number has their individual traits, but when come to 7, they are useful for the society. They give some positive notation to the societies and they guide people in the right manner. They always go for the correct things. They encourage the correct things because of high thinking and high intuition powers. Number 7 people are highly oriented toward their children. Sometimes the mother, they argue with their mother that you are not caring properly, even though mother cares so well. But these people will argue because they have such inclined to their children. They are inclined to the children and they care a lot of them. Highly caring people about their kids. And because of this reason, their parents sometimes they quarrel because of that love is not properly delivered to the children. So these are some of the important things about the number 7 people. In the next video, we'll discuss about numerology of number 8 born people.